Okay, so what you guys are about to witness is Mason's growing up as an adult, or some points of it. So Mason's 10. Mason just got his hunter safety a couple months ago. Mason has been able to get a turkey, and he also has gotten his first rabbit. I wasn't able to get those moments on film, so what I did is I went out and bought some film equipment so that I could capture every single one of those moments and make him remember every single one of those moments and have video proof of that, where he could sit down and him and I could look back on it years from now and laugh and just enjoy it. Me as a father, I firmly believe in getting involved with your kids. And this shouldn't be just something for him and I. This should be an inspirational video for any parents that are out there. So, unfortunately, a lot of kids nowadays, they don't want to be involved in hunting or fishing or any type of outdoor sports or the life of an outdoorsman. And the way I grew up is completely opposite of what a lot of kids experience today. And I want to be able to give everything I possibly can to make sure that my son succeeds and to let him have as many experiences as I possibly can. So what you guys will see in this video is 2 hunting days. We had 2 days at Steel Forks Pheasants. Once was on November 19th and the other one was November 27th. Mason shot his first rooster. That was his very first bird that actually flushed, and he drilled it. He did awesome. He learned a lot through all of this and learned when to shoot, when not to shoot, his area of where he's allowed to shoot, or that V, when everybody's in a line, and just being able to respect the outdoors and respect the sportsmanship behind it. And I'm hoping that this is going to inspire not only him to continue and carry on traditions of our family of hunting and fishing and the outdoors, but I'm hoping it's going to spark some interest in the younger generation that's out there right now, to cause parents to take their kids out hunting, out fishing, out hiking, out biking, something to get them outside and really appreciate the world that's around them. So it's a little long, the video's a little long, but I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope it inspires you. Alright, little man, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
You ready to kill some birds?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? How many birds are you going to shoot today?
I don't know.
You don't know? Boy, I don't know. We're going to see what happens.
Can I rack one?
Yep, go ahead and rack one. Remember the button? There you go. Okay. Good job, dude.
Hey, do me a favor.
Yeah.
Pull this thing, whatever the hell it's at.
You want it untangled?
Yeah, take it out. Rico! There we go.
Okay.
Where's
the whistle?
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh, I got the whistle.
Rico! Whoa!
Watch it. See? Get up here.
There it goes. Shoot it.
Shoot it. Shoot it.
Good job. You shot it.
I did. I did.
Because I couldn't clip mine off safe.
Ready? Go! Oh! So close! So close! Way to get on it, bud. Oh! Mace, over here. Over here. Yep, set it down. Yeah, Mace!
Good job.
Yeah. Okay, you gotta carry that bird. Mace, that one's gonna fly. Oh! Good shot. Oh! Wait, let it fly and shoot it, shoot it. Shoot it! Yeah! Good shot, Mace. It's gonna go, bud. It's gonna go. Mace, be ready. Be ready. It's running in front of you. Running across the road. It's all yours, Bill.
Whoa! It's down.
Did it get hit? You ready? Good shot. Put two in your mag tube then.
You had a lot of fun? Glad you did, buddy.
Where's it at? You nicked him. Coming back. Legs ready? Where's that? Remember where everybody else is at too, bud. Okay? See it? Okay. Ready? Shoot it! Oh, so close. Oh, flushed another one. You ready? Too far? That's alright, bud. That's the end. Good try, buddy. You gotta lead a little bit more, right? Good job. Yeah. Keep trying. Keep trying. You got one so far, right? Somebody got it. Shoot it.
Take
What?
him out.
Oh, you gotta feed the beast, bud. Whoops. That happens.
It does happen. I heard that last week. Same
The
thing.
click?
Click. You're like, "Ah!" I had a whole covey of like 15 quail go up there.
Oh, and I heard click, and I'm like, buddy? Get in that bush. There it is. Fucking at it. Too low for you? Yeah? Okay. It's gonna fly that way, bud.
Safety ready?
Good shot, Kevin. Straight. I'm gonna come on this side. I think it's gonna fly that way. There it goes. Too low for you? Right next to you, buddy. See it yet, bud? Oh, yep, right in front of us. Okay, you ready?